So you have a PlayStation 5 and you want to live stream your gameplay on Discord. Okay, so jumping straight into the video, the very first thing you want to do is link your Discord account to your PlayStation console. So in order to do that, you're going to come up to settings on the top right hand corner. You are then going to come down to users and accounts. You are going to come down to linked services, and you're going to see the option for Discord. Now, once you select that option, you want to go ahead and press link. And then it's going to bring you to this screen, which provides you with a few options. So the very first option that you have to link your Discord is by either going to the official website, discord.com/activate. And you can go ahead and utilize either your laptop or your computer to link your Discord. Or what you can do is you can take your cell phone and you can then scan the QR code and you can sign into your Discord account that way, and your PlayStation will automatically be linked. Now, the third way is by coming down at the bottom, and you can use your PlayStation to automatically go inside of the browser, and you can log in this way as well. So you're provided with 3 different options on how you're able to log in and link your Discord to your PlayStation account. So now what you're going to want to do is download the PlayStation Remote Play application for either your desktop or your Android or iPhone devices. And so I'm going to leave a link down in the description below so that way you can go directly to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you're going to scroll down here and you're going to see the option where it says Windows, PC, and Mac. You can download it, any of these right here. For Android, it's right here. Once you click on that option, you're going to select download. You're going to choose which option you're downloading the application on. And then you want to agree to the terms and conditions, and you want to select download. And so now that you have the application downloaded onto your desktop or your phone, what you need to do is come back inside of the PlayStation so that way you can enable the remote play feature. So what you're going to do is come back to settings. You are then going to scroll down to system. You're going to come down to remote play, and you want to select this option that says enable remote play, and you want to make sure that your profile is selected. Once that's done, you want to come back down and you want to select pair device. Now, I already have my PlayStation already linked and paired, but there's going to be a code that pops up on your screen that you're going to have to put in once you go inside of the remote play application. Now, once you have the application installed, you are then want to sign into your PlayStation account. Once you're signed in, you're going to select which console you're trying to connect to. So for this, we're going to select the PlayStation 5. We're going to go ahead and click on OK. And so you will now see that we are sharing our screen through the PlayStation Remote Play application. And so what you're going to want to do from here is go over to your Discord. You are then going to want to go into any voice channel that you have access to share your video or your screen. You are then going to click share your screen. You then want to look for PlayStation Remote Play under applications. And you're then going to select your resolution as well as your frame rate. If you don't have Nitro, then you're just going to select 720 at 30 FPS. If you do have Nitro, then you can go 1080p, 60 FPS if you choose to do so. And you're then going to select go live. And this is how you're now able to share your PlayStation gameplay on Discord. And any type of audio that is on your game, or if you're in a party chat with anybody, they can now share their voices, and you can also hear the game audio.
Grab what it dropped and throw it.
And so with that being said, that is going to be all for today's video. Now, we are trying to hit our first 2,000 subscribers. So if you learned something or if you made it to the end, make sure you give this a big fat thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash that subscribe button, as well as turning on post notifications so that way you do not miss a single video that gets posted up on this channel. And if you guys need any help, my Discord is in the link down below. I'll be more than happy to offer one-on-one help. And if you want to learn how to stream to Kick, Twitch, YouTube, or any destination of your choosing, make sure you click on this playlist right here, and I'll walk you through step by step on how you're able to do that 100% for free.